You can use Cash App without linking a debit card or traditional bank account, though with some limitations on adding and withdrawing funds. Getting started. Download the Cash App, iOS or Android. Sign up with your phone number or email and verify your identity. Set up a 4-digit cash PIN. What you can do without linking. Send and receive money. Use your cash tag, phone number, or email. Funds stay in your Cash App balance. Request money from friends and family. Spend. Add your Cash App balance to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. Buy Bitcoin or stocks, limited amounts. Order a Cash App card, free. Even without a linked bank, you can use it once you have a balance. Adding money without bank or card. Deposit cash at participating retailers like Walmart. Use direct deposit for paychecks or tax refunds. Cash App provides account and routing numbers. Limitations. You cannot easily withdraw large amounts to an external bank without linking one. ATM withdrawals require the physical Cash App card, with fees after monthly limits.